Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about preventive maintenance checklist for electrical distribution system in commercial premises. Electrical distribution and control systems are the heart of any facility, yet it is often the most underappreciated utility. Without a reliable source of electrical power, operations of any facility would not be possible. In spite of the critical nature of electrical equipment, regular scheduled maintenance is not always a primary focus in many facilities. Do you have a preventive maintenance in such places? Neglecting the maintenance of electrical equipment over a long period of time will inevitably lead to a costly emergency repairs and equipment failures in addition to elevated safety and property risks. Be smart and use our preventive maintenance checklist to keep your electrical distribution system in good working order. Do you know 77% of equipment breakdowns can be reduced by implementing a preventive maintenance program? The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering report states that failure of electrical components is 3 times higher for systems without preventive maintenance programs. Hence, an effective electrical preventive maintenance program will help you avoid the extra expense that disruptions and lost profit that can cause. On an average, a small electrical failure could cause a minimum of 6 hours of interruption. But with preventive maintenance, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Program must be custom designed to fit the characteristics of the facility and vulnerability of the business. So, we do carry out the preventive maintenance program by considering the following into account: the type of business, redundancy in production, sensitivity to disruptions, business interruption costs, potential loss of goodwill, spoilage of product, age of the equipment, changes in system loads over the years, types of loads, sensitivity to power quality, geographical consideration, environmental conditions in which your facility operates.